Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to interface or how to control a unipolar stepper motor with that of PIC microcontroller. The simulator which we are using is the simulide 1.1.0. So how we can do that? First of all, we have to search for our microcontroller. So here in our microcontroller sections we got this 16F series. So here we have PIC16F877 microcontroller. So this is here. So now after this has been done, we will go for our stepper motor component. So this is our stepper motor. Okay, so we can drag it out like this. So this is our stepper motor. And as we cannot drive stepper motor directly on the PIC microcontroller. Why it is so? Because microcontroller cannot deliver so much power to our stepper motor. So that is why we have to add a driver, that is a stepper motor driver. So here we will write 293 quadruple half H driver. So now these are 4 output pins, that is 1Y to 4Y. So we have to connect this with A positive, 2Y with B positive, A negative with that of 3Y, and B negative with that of 4Y. And what about this common pin? We have to connect it with the fixed voltage power supply. So this is our common pin. Okay. Now we can again click on zoom to fit so that we can see it properly. And what about the connection of the input with the microcontroller? We can connect 1A with that of B0, 2A with that of B1, okay, and 3A with that of B2, and 4A with that of B3. Just these 4 connections. And 1, 2 enable and 3, 4 enable pins, they must be connected with that of a fixed voltage power supply. So copy and paste our power supply here. Click on zoom to fit. Some more. Okay, so we can connect it like this. Okay, after this has been done, we will get one more fixed voltage power supply and we will enable our microcontroller by giving logic 1 on the MCLR pin. Again, click on zoom to fit. So this is our small setup. Wait, let me where it is. So it is our small setup for stepper motor. Now we will go for our coding, which is obviously in micro C. So we can click on file, new project. Here we write stepper 555. Click on next, finish, and now we have got our programming window. Now first you can see that we have our void main function which is already declared, and we have to write all the code inside these 2 brackets. Okay, first we will write a command, that is 8con 1 is equal to 0x06. So it will disable all sort of analog to digital conversions. And how it used to work, it is not the scope of our project. Just write it and it will just disable all the analog to digital conversions, and that's it. After this has been done, we write trisb is equal to 0. And this command, that is trisb is equal to 0, we have declared the whole port B as the output. Means that as we have connected our driver with on the port B, so we have declared the port B is the output. So we have written here 0. By writing 1, we can declare port B as the input. And after this has been done, we will send certain data, that is 0x0f. So it will send 1111 on B0 to B4 and 00 on the what's called as B4 and onward up to B8. Okay. So this is a type of initialization. Okay, and after this has been done, we will write while 1. And here we will write port B is equal to 0 binary 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So port B is equal to this thing, that is 0B, and we have sent this sequence, that is 1 on the B0 pin of the port B, and rest pins must be given zeros. Okay, and then we will write a delay, millisecond, 500 millisecond. That is, we need a 500 millisecond delay, that is half of a second. Okay, so this is our first command, and some more commands like this. We will copy it out, we can paste it out. One zero and 100. Okay, and 100. So we are actually increasing 1. We are sending 1 on the first we have sent 1 on the B0, then we have sent 1 on the B1, and then 2 on B2, and then on B3. Okay, so this is B3. So B0, B1, B2 and B3, and it will generate a specific torque, and obviously it will turn our stepper motor in full wave drive mode. Run it out, stepper 555, and this, and then click on this, and then this will create hex file. Okay, now click on save. Here we write stepper 777, click on OK, done. Now we will go to our simulide, we will go to load firmware. So stepper 777.hex, click on open, run it out. We have to enable all the supplies, and here you got that our stepper motor is running properly. So in this way we can run our stepper motor. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can control the stepper motor, that is the unipolar stepper motor with the PIC microcontroller. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.